Hello student, myself your English teacher Pradeep sir. Student, in our previous classes, we are learning the lesson Mystery Island. So student, we have completed up to page number 15. Yes student, 15. Now we will start with page number 16. Okay student. So here you see what happened when they enter to that means that inn means one while they eat food they saw something outside in distance, that was the strange castle. So when that door opened, okay, when that door opened, so they went inside, and at last they were tired and they sank to the floor and were asleep within a few moments. So see, we are finding them asleep. ଆମେ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ସେ କ୍ୟାସେଲରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା ପରେ ସେ ଭିତରେ ସେମାନେ ପୁରା ଥକି ଯାଇ ଶୋଇପଡ଼ିଲେ. Then what happened? It starts like this. On waking up, they found their robot lying with them. They were surprised to see it there. It reminded them of their teacher. Rami was worried about their teacher, but they could not figure out where he was. The tribals must have kept him with them. We must go and rescue him at once, said Nanny. Suddenly, a scary monster appeared out of nowhere. It was huge, had a shiny dress, and was waving swords. The monster struck the door with his mighty swords and promptly tore it down. This only added to their misery. There was nowhere they could run now. The monster was about to catch Nanny. Sam grabbed a sword hanging on the wall. He hit the monster again and again till he withdrew, crying. Nanny thanked him and appreciated his valor. Okay. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ ଉଠିକି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ରବଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି. ଯାହା ଦେଖି ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ. ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ଏଥର ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଟିଚରକୁ ସେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ମାନେ ନେଇଯାଇଥିବେ କୋପଟିଏ, ଆଉ ତାକୁ ରେସ୍କ୍ୟୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଯୋଜନା କଲେ. କିନ୍ତୁ ସଡନଲି ଏଠି ଦେଖ ଗୋଟେ ମନଷ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ହ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ସାଇଜ୍ର ଆସିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାକୁ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାଇନି ଡ୍ରେସ୍, ଆଉ ୱେଭିଂ ସୋର୍ଟସ୍, ତା ହାତରେ ସୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଛି. ତାପରେ ସେ ମନଷ୍ଟର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ କଲା ଡୋରକୁ, ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ପୁରା ମନଷ୍ଟରକୁ ଦେଖିକରି ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଭୟଭୀତ ହେଲେ. ଆଉ ସେ ମନଷ୍ଟର ନେନିକୁ କ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗଲା. ସେତେବେଳେ ସାମ୍ ଗୋଟେ ସୋର୍ଡ ୱାଲ୍ରେ ଥିବା ହ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗିଂ ସୋଲ୍କୁ ବାହାର କରି ସେ ସୋର୍ଡ ସହିତ ତାକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆଘାତ କଲା. ଆଉ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିବାଟା ଛାଡ଼ି ନଦେବ, ସେ ନ କାନ୍ଦିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆଉ ନେନି ଆଉ ସାମ୍ର ଏ ବ୍ରେଭନେସ୍ ଦେଖି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆପ୍ରିସିଏଟ୍ କଲା. The young traveler continued their search for their teacher. They were walking through a thick jungle of strange plants. The robot kept scanning the plants as they walked. Look at this pretty flower, screamed Nanny in great delight and started picking them. Dangerous for humans, warned the robot. Throw them away, said the boys. But Nanny liked them, so she kept a flower with her. After a while of fruitless searching, the kids found themselves back at the castle door. They were completely tired. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି, ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କ ଟିଚର ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଖୋଜିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲେ. ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ରବଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ସବୁ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା. ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ନେନି ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ଦେଖିଲା, ତାକୁ ପିକ୍ କଲା. ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ରବଟ ୱାର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ କଲା, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ମିନ୍ସ ଡେଞ୍ଜରିୟସ୍ ଫ୍ଲାୱାର, ୟୁ ଥ୍ରୋ ଇଟ୍ ଏବେ. କିନ୍ତୁ ନେନି ତାକୁ ନ ମାନିକି ସେ ଆଉ ସେ ଫୁଲଟାକୁ, ସେ ଫ୍ଲାୱାରକୁ ତା ସହିତ ରଖିଲା. ଆଉ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ଖୋଜି ଖୋଜି ଟାୟାର୍ଡ଼ ହେଇଗଲେ. ଏଟ୍ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ସେ କ୍ୟାସେଲର ଡୋରକୁ ହିଁ ଆସିକି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ. They hardly sat down when they heard a scream. Help! It was Nanny shouting in fear. A giant spider was spreading its claw over the girl. The boys rushed for their swords, but it was too late. The spider was just about to seize the girl. ଏବେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ସ୍ପାଇଡର ଆସିଲା ଆଉ ନେନି ହେଲ୍ପ ହେଲ୍ପ ବୋଲି କହିଲା ଆଉ ଅଦର ସାମାନ ତାଙ୍କ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ସୋର୍ଡ଼ ନେବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଆସିକି ତା ସହିତ ଲଢ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେତିକି ଭିତରେ ଆଉ ସ୍ପାଇଡର ଆସି ଆଉ ନେନିକୁ ସିଜ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି. Just then a man dressed weirdly popped out of nowhere. He threw away the dress, and to their wonder, it was their teacher. He fired at the spider with the laser gun in his hand. The kids rushed to their teacher. Are you all right? Asked the teacher. The kids nodded their heads. He then explained that the mission involved a test to see how they would face a trying situation. We created the whole situation for you. We landed you on a strange island. I shot for disappeared. In fact, I was always there watching over you through the camera in the robot and ready to come to the rescue. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ମଜାଦାର ହେଇଛି ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ଚିତ୍କାର କଲେ ସେ ଆଉ ନେନି ଚିତ୍କାର କଲା ଆଉ କିଏ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ରେସ୍କ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ନାହିଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଆସିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଜର ଗନ୍ ସହିତ ସେ ସ୍ପାଇଡରକୁ ଦେଖ ମାରିବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ଲୋକଟା କିଏ ନଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କରି ଟିଚର ହିଁ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟିଚର କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଏ ସିଚୁଏସନଟା ଆମେ ହିଁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ୍ ଥିଲା ସୋ ୟୁ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ବିନ୍ ଭେରି brave and intelligent except for Nanny's mistake with the flower. The flower could have landed you all in terrible trouble. You see, the huge spider was attracted to its smell and not to Nanny, said their teacher, winking. You also need to learn to be independent so as to tackle any situation. I appreciate your bravery, said the teacher and patted all of them. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି କେବଳ ନେନିର ହିଁ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ରହିଛି କାହିଁକି ସେ ଫ୍ଲାୱାରଟା ସେ ଧରିଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ସ୍ପାଇଡରଟା କେବଳ ନେନି ପାଇଁ ଆସିନଥିଲା ନେନି ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ଆସିନଥିଲା ବିଲକୁଲ ସେ ଫୁଲ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲା ଆଉ ଏଥିରେ ଟିଚର କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତୁମକୁ ବ୍ରେଭ୍ ହେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ତୁମକୁ ଏମିତି ସିଚୁଏସନରେ ଆଉ ଟ୍ୟାକେଲ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଆଉ ତୁମେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଭଲ କଲ ଗୋଟେ ନେନିର ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆପ୍ରିସିଏଟ୍ କଲେ so this is the lesson of Mystery Island. So I hope student you have learned this lesson properly. If you are not understanding, watch this video again and again, and in our next class we will do exercises. See you. Bye.